Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines with Ubuntu hardening step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Microsoft Azure portal. Navigate to the Virtual Machines section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create and then select Virtual Machine from the options. Choose your subscription and resource group. Provide a name for your virtual machine. Select region based on your desired location for deployment. Pick the imaging option for your VM, specifically Ubuntu. Choose the appropriate version of Ubuntu for your deployment. Select the size of the virtual machine according to your requirements. In the Administrator Account section, enter a username and a strong password. Review the inbound port rules and ensure SSH, port 22, is allowed. Click Review plus Create and then proceed to create after validation. Wait for the deployment to complete. Once the VM is ready, open the Azure Cloud Shell. Connect to your VM using SSH with the command SSH username at your _VM public _IP. Update the package list with the command sudo apt update. Upgrade the installed packages using the command sudo apt upgrade y. Install essential security updates using sudo apt install unattended upgrades. Enable unattended upgrades with the command sudo dpkg reconfigure f non-interactive unattended upgrades. Set up a firewall using UFW by entering sudo of allow open SSH. Enable the UFW firewall with sudo of enable. Verify the status of UFW using sudo of status. To further secure SSH access, edit the SSH configuration file using sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd. Change the default SSH port from 22 to a non-standard port. Disable root login by setting permit root login to no. Restrict SSH access to specific users by adding allow users followed by your username. Save the changes and exit the editor. Restart the SSH service to apply changes with sudo systemcll restart SSH. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.